Hello guys, welcome back to the Python tutorial. And in previous lecture we have seen how can we insert and select data from a database table. Now today we will see how can we update the current record in our database table. So this is a SQL command to update a employee, and we are setting age is equal to age plus 4. We are incrementing age by 4 where sex is M. I'm incrementing age of all the male candidate to 4, and the current view of our database is age is 38. So now here in try we will write same command, that is cursor dot execute. We have only single command and it works for everyone. That's why Python is so easy. Commit. Okay, and here database dot rollback, just put this there. Now run this and let's check this thing. It's updating. Yeah, it's updated. Now we will discuss another thing, that is SQL SQL transaction. Here we have two terms in transaction, commit and rollback. Commit to save all the current changes in our database, and rollback if something happened wrong, then move to the previous checkpoint from where our updation have taken place. This is a transaction in SQL. Now we will see how can we delete a record from a table. So delete from employee where name is equal, where sex is equal to M. Let's check for this. It's working. Yeah, it have some error. No, delete from employee. Let me check the spelling of employee. Delete from employee where, make this spelling greater, means we may have some problem in our SQL statement, and we can check once again. Okay, it's not deleting. So let's check the correct statement, SQL statement, to delete a record in our table. So how can we check? We have to go to SQL and here select delete from employee where sex is equal to male. Okay, let's copy this thing. Actually I made a single mistake here. I put star. It's not compulsory, it's wrong. Now run this thing and here try. Okay, I don't have any problem. Now you can see all records is finished now. So this is how we have to just remember SQL syntax to delete, update, alter table, to use a different aggregation function of SQL. So, and only one syntax that we have to remember is cursor dot execute, to execute SQL command. So this is these are all the operations that we can perform on SQL, on MySQL through Python. It's enough for any database web application. It's an important part in any console application or web application. So guys, thank you for watching this video. In next lecture we will start with a new topic. Thank you.